Hey Sean, where are you going, man?
I'm going to HMUN, Dubai.
What is that?
Come, I'll show you. Harvard Model United Nations is an international conference hosted by Harvard University in collaboration with Worldview Education.
MUN is a simulation of the United Nations Conference. During a span of 4 days, delegates debate about pressing global issues and help to solve current crises diplomatically.
Furthermore, HMUN allows one to express their creativity and their individuality at the extracurriculars hosted there. DPRS Mysore is proud to represent the nation at International Bazaar, HMUN X and the Global Spotlight.
This also proves as an excellent exposure for the students. We thank DPIRS for providing us this great opportunity to participate in HMUN Dubai.
Hi HMUN Dubai. Yan Barodanda, Ulla Sodu Ulle.
ರಾಜ್ಯ ತಮ್ಸಿಲ್ ಕುರವೆ ತಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ವರುಣ್ ಮುಖಾಯಪಧೇರಿ HMUN दुबई बलेचे नी अन्ननी
तुमका HMUN दुबई अनुकूलों का मिलाता
शुभ सकाल HMUN A देखा होवे.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम मरहबन बिकुम फी HMUN दुबई
सकडंग देव गोरे दीस दिव आव कल्चतन मस्त समृद्धसा HMUN दुबई अंत बागी जाऊंग
हम अवम तुम तैयार रहो HMUN दुबई.
Acharable HMUN Dubai. We also welcome. Sure, why not?
You ladies all right?